Ella's British Adventure. Little Ella loved to travel. Her favorite thing was exploring new cities, where every corner held a surprise. Today, she arrived in a place she'd never been before. The sun was warm, and the air smelled of fresh bread. She decided to explore on foot. Ella walked and walked, enjoying the beautiful scenery. Suddenly, she stopped. Oh, where am I? She realized she was lost. She remembered the English phrases for asking directions that she had learned before her trip. Taking a deep breath, she decided to try them out. She saw a friendly lady walking out of a coffee shop. Ella gathered her courage and walked towards her. "Excuse me, how do I get to the station?" Ella asked softly. The lady listened, then pointed into the distance. "Is it far from here?" Ella asked next. The lady nodded, then shook her head, indicating it was neither too far nor too close. Ella pulled out her map. "Could you show me on the map?" The lady took the map and carefully showed her the way. "Thank you very much," Ella said happily. She finally knew how to get there. Ella continued her journey, this time filled with confidence. She knew that if she was brave enough to ask, there was no problem she couldn't solve.